Hey everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back with another fabulous life hack idea. This is number 23 in the series. So my life hack ideas are things that you can crochet, different projects that you can crochet that are going to make your life easier or just more fun or more pretty. So this one is specifically for crocheters. I guess you could use this for knitting as well, but this is the large project Caddy pattern. So this is like a bag that you could make. You crochet the bag, and it's kind of almost a basket, like a nice round sturdy basket. There's lots of pockets in the sides, on the inside of it, and there's also little dividers inside it as well, so that you can put your yarn balls and you can put your hooks and your scissors and all of your nicks and knacks and doodads into this, and then you can carry it around. So it's basically like a project bag, but she refers to it as the large project Caddy. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up so I can tell you a little bit more about the pattern. So this is available on Ravelry.com. And the pattern was written by Lori Ann Carr. So Lori Ann Carr, and it's published in Lori Ann Carr's Ravelry store. So this pattern is available for download for $6. It is beautiful. I see the picture here where they used multiple colors, and I love that. Those of you who watch my channel very much, you know I'm all about my bright colors. But I really like the look of this. I'm going to take some screen grabs here so you can see what I'm looking at. But there's a picture here from Kristen, it looks like, and she used multiple colors and stripes, which is beautiful as well. So lots of really nice ideas in the Ravelry page. Really, really beautiful. Let me see if there's anything else I can tell you about it, because I'd like to tell you a little bit more about the difficulty level and how much yarn you're going to need. So, okay, so skill level, she has that listed as advanced beginner. So if you've been crocheting for a little while, this shouldn't be too daunting for you. This is funny. So for completion time, she wrote approximately forever, exclamation point. But then she said, not really, but it just feels like it because of the assembly. So it sounds like there is some assembly time going on. You are going to need some heavy duty jute and any worsted weight yarn. You're going to need some copper wire, 3mm plastic copper wire. So that's interesting. Or a metal ring with a 34-inch circumference, which is pretty big for a metal ring. So I'm guessing you're probably going to stick with the wire. But I'm guessing that these are the things that make this such a sturdy bag. There's other notions in here as well that you're going to need, but nothing out of the ordinary for a typical crochet project. I thought maybe she was using more than one strand at a time, but I'm guessing not, because she does have that jute in there. So yeah, let me know if this is a project that you'd have any interest in making. It really looks like a great, very sturdy bag to make. Yeah, I'm not sure. That jute kind of scares me a little bit, so I'm not sure if I'd make it or not, but I'd love to hear if that's something that interests you. It would certainly be a nice gift to make for a fellow crocheter, wouldn't it? Okay, so if you're interested in trying this out, go ahead, click that link in the description box below. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. Then all you have to do is click on the picture, and it's going to take you right directly to the Ravelry page where you can download the pattern from Lori Ann. All right, I hope you're really enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it for you. Anything that can make life easier that you make with crochet has got 2 thumbs up from this girl. So until tomorrow's fabulous idea, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.